Do you want to step up your CNC and CAM knowledge? We just launched our first course on just this, learning the basics of CNC and CAM, which is available for pre-order now. The course will launch in early June. Until then, we're offering a special pre-launch price. We'll cover everything you'd want to know about the basics of CNC. If you've enjoyed our YouTube videos about CAM and CNC but want to understand more of what's going on, we typically don't dig into the nitty-gritty of things like what actually is G-code, types of CNC tools and when to use them, workholding options, and we'll go through every step of setting up CAM for a job in both Fusion 360 and Vectric VCarve. I'll be your instructor, this is Justin speaking, and I'm excited to share this course with you. Check out the course details now at the link in the description, we'd love to have you. Also, leave a comment if there's something you'd really like to see in the upcoming course. Thanks.